We are on our way to Target. I'm excited because for the first time, I'm making honey bun rolls. Honey buns. Honey buns? Is that what they're called? They're not honey bun rolls, right?
I don't know what you're making.
Okay.
But honey buns is a thing.
And cinnamon roll is another thing. Okay, so honey buns. For our treat tonight and our family movie night tonight. And I haven't baked anything since last year when my husband got me the big, what's that called? KitchenAid, where it like kneads it for you instead of like kneading it with your hands. Anyway, I digress. We're heading to Target, picking up the ingredients for the honey bun so we can start baking it. No way, it's the last one. Yes. We are almost saying goodbye to August. I mean, we are so close to saying goodbye to August. This was filmed August 31st. So literally what, tomorrow is September 1st. Anytime that it's like around August, I just feel like fall is near us. Especially, okay, no, wait. Yeah. So the 1st is on Monday. Anytime like it's mid-August, I feel like it's fall. I just feel it. And I try to extend my fall because I'm in Vegas. And if you know anything about Vegas, you know that it's super hot. And we don't really have a long fall. So I try to like get in the mood of fall. One of those things is baking. Once fall hits, I just want to start like learning how to bake cookies, learning how to bake bagels, I don't know, whatever we can bake. So that's one part of it. But also today what I want to do is get all my fall decor out and start decorating the house with more fall. And see like all the little things that are missing to make it feel more fall. So it's a whole other day later. It's actually Sunday now. And I was not able to do my whole honey bun scenario because when I got home from Target, it was 7 p.m. and I have to let the honey buns rise. I didn't even know I had to let them rise. So I was like, okay, no problem. I'll just do it after church, after I put baby down for a nap. And that's what we're about to do. So I'm still in my church clothes. I'm gonna go ahead and start baking. Moment of truth. Let's take a bite. I think I'll rate it like a 7.5. I don't know what I did wrong.
I don't think you did anything wrong.
The kids love it. Hey, buddy.
How about you, Dad? Do you like it?
What are your thoughts, babe?
Is it like 6, 7?
Charlie, come here.
It's a really good starter point for you.
It's a good starting point. Is there milk for me?
I like the aftertaste. The aftertaste is really good.
Thank you. I'm glad you guys like it. It was more. I made it more for the kiddos. But can't put my finger on what it is. You guys can see or notice I had to change my outfit because I don't know what I was thinking trying to do all this in a skirt. But I'm happy that my husband helped me out and got all the stuff out because there was a lot of boxes. And I found the fall box. We actually just have one fall box, which one, I'm happy about, but two, I don't know I always forget what's in the box, so it's like reopening something new. Anywho, I found this guy. He's a turkey. And I was like, maybe it's too soon to take out the turkey stuff. But you know what? It's not. We're gonna just incorporate it in a nice little way where he blends in with the fall until it's his shining moment. So that's one thing. So I figured I'll just like show you guys what's in the box. Let's look in here together and see what I already have for fall. And I'm already getting excited because I remember what this is. This is the thing that goes on my dinner table and just makes my dinner table feel like fall. So I'm happy with that. And then, okay, this goes out on the door, which is we're gonna do that today as well. A lot of pumpkins. I don't know how I feel about the gnomes. This was given to us by my mother-in-law, and I love her. And, but like me and her style is very different. But this is cute, and I feel like, you know, maybe the boys' like bathroom or room, like a little gnome here and there don't hurt anyone. More pumpkins. More pumpkins. I don't know how I feel about this guy, if I want to get him out. Oh, actually, this guy goes on the Jeep. So yes, we are gonna take him out and put him on the Jeep so he can hang out. And then pumpkins. This skull, I love this skull because one, now we use it for Halloween, but two, we got this in Mexico, me and my husband, when we went there, and it's just like a little piece of memorabilia that comes out every fall. I forget what these are called, but I like to arrange them into like my pots that I have going on inside of the house, and I'll show you guys like what I mean when I put it all together. This guy normally goes on the banister for the stairs. I'm so excited. I'm getting excited. I forgot what I had in here, and I'm just getting excited that I do have enough. Like, I don't feel like I need to go out and purchase more. All these pumpkins, by the way, I remember, I got them from Hobby Lobby, and it was so inexpensive and so much, and I loved just putting them absolutely everywhere for the fall. Here's another gnome. Here's another gnome. And then we got these pillows. I do wish I had more pillows and more like fall vibe throws, but this will do. This will do for now. He likes the decorations. You notice something different, Bubba? He's like, look at these cool leaf pillows. There you go. Yeah, it's nice.